I just disconnected this line, the loop that was here. I'm now going to disconnect the line that's going into the lower quick disconnect fitting. All these quick disconnects are valved, meaning when you disconnect them, there should be no flow coming out. Even if the line is filled with water, which this one is, it should stop that flow. Same thing with this line here. There's water in there, but it is trapped in there at the moment, and I will show you later how to get the water out of that line. So now what I'd like to do is move it over. I'm going to move the fill line over to the other side. And what I'm going to do is just kind of do a reverse here. Put this the loop that we had, instead of from the left side to the right side panel, I'm going to go from the left side panel to the right side back. It's not critical which direction you go or how you do this. I'm just doing it to try it in all different directions to make sure most of the air is out. If you don't do it exactly the way I did it, it should still work fine. It's not critical. I will now turn the water back on and start the fill again after I connect the air relief valve line back here. So that will be my air relief on this side now. And we're just going to try to get any air that may be remaining out of there. Again, you can close this if you want to play it safe, just to give you a little. So you can see again, there are some air bubbles coming out of here. That's fine. You're never going to get them all out. It's not possible to get them all out. And in truth, you don't want them all out, because if you get them all out, there's a chance from hydraulic pressure you could crack the cell. So it's actually better to leave some air in there. You can see now there's almost no air bubbles coming out, so I'm going to turn this off again. As soon as I turn it off, I pull off the air relief valve to make sure no air goes back into the system. Same thing on this side. I'm going to take off the fill. Actually, sorry, I'm going to take off the fill on the front back panel here. Boom. And then I'm going to take the loop off. One here, one here. That's it. The system should be filled. We should be good to go as far as that's concerned. Next, I'll show you how to fill the sample cell.